What's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of January 2022. Corsair Gaming, are we due for a massive comeback? Look at the chart. Yeah, it looks terrible. The chart for Corsair has been in a massive downtrend going all the way back to the beginning of last year. Can we see a comeback? Isn't it about time for this stock to go up? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I'm going to talk about that today on this video. I'm going to show you all from a charts perspective to what the market overall thinks in Corsair. Should we jump in? Should we wait? Is it time now to buy the market, or is it time for us to still wait? Welcome to HueFin. Hit that like button, share, and also subscribe here to the channel. If you guys appreciate my price predictions, my video content, my creativity, because you don't need anything else. I've been showing you all this on this YouTube channel for a while, that you don't need to know anything else outside of what the market is doing with their own bread. That's it. You don't need to know anything else. Now, before I get started, look at this. This is my YouTube channel, right? If you guys want to get the latest stock price prediction that I have for any particular type of stock that I cover, come here to my playlist and scroll down to the last videos, and that is the latest, most updated price prediction that I have for the markets. All right. Now let's get back to this Corsair. I did a video right here on the 15th of October. Yeah, the 15th of October. Playing the weakness into the market in Corsair, telling you all that the price was going to go down, and did it not. Now, I wanted to see the buyers approach the market in Corsair right here around $23.66, somewhere around there. But it didn't. The weakness continued. The buyers did not show up. So if anything, you got 12.25%, right? You got that 12.25% out the market. If you are still into the play now, you have around 28% right now. Yeah, right now. Basically, from what we talked about in October, you now have 28%. This is what I mean. You got to predict the market to see where price is headed so that you can already be in position and win. Now let's get rid of it. All right, we need to revamp or revise this price chart because a lot has changed since then. This market is definitely oversold. What does that mean? Well, when you consider where price is in relation to this downtrend line, we are definitely well away from where price should be, unless this is where the market downtrend is, right? Which one do you think is more applicable? This is the downtrend. I really wanted to see the market in Corsair come all the way back up to this trend, but it didn't happen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this trend, and we're going to focus our attention on this closer term downtrend line. This is where the action is going to be. We also saw price break below $24, so we're going to change this horizontal line, and we're going to bring it down to where the market in Corsair found support all the way back here since October 2020. So yeah, this is quite terrible for anyone who bought the market in Corsair back in October of last year. Not last year, of 2020. Yeah, you're now breaking even. You literally saw all of your profitability. The market in Corsair went from what, $18 to a high of around 52, 180% market move. You literally saw that dwindle throughout all of last year to where now you may have 6%. Yeah, that's crazy. These YouTubers don't tell you price targets. These YouTubers don't tell you you need to have an exit strategy. You need to have a number in mind to where you're willing to take your profitability. Just imagine you saw fantastic gains early out in 2021, only to see it dwindle to 6% right now. That's crazy. Now, let's see this though. Okay? Because after $18, I want you all to see this. We don't have too much price history outside of $18. So we need to consider right now of maybe Corsair may make all-time lows. What do you think? Can it happen in 2022? We need to consider it at least, because $18 is literally the last firmest area of support, meaning this is where the last area that the buyers really took a stand and rejected the market from going any lower. We have to see that continue, because if we break $18, we need to consider making all-time lows in Corsair. Is what I'm telling you right now. Now let's look at this on a 3 weeks time frame. Okay, so now, yes, restriction now in Corsair is right there around like $22.50, let alone $20 first. You can already see this on the chart in Corsair. Let's look at this on a weekly. This area of restriction, I can already see it. So even if I were to see the price in Corsair go up, $20 is a restriction point, and then 22 next. It's just that simple. So even if I do a price prediction, look for the price in Corsair to go up. We need to pay attention to $20, and then we need to pay attention to 22 if the market is able to break $20. Okay. This is what literally a bear market looks like. While many YouTubers has been throughout all of last year been pumping Corsair, price has been coming down anyway. This is the bear market. Okay, it is what it is. We cannot come in and alter it. We cannot reverse the chart to make it look like it's going up. We simply need to see it for what it is and be prepared, right? So now what I'm going to do, I am going to show you what my expectations are, because I'm not really looking for too much right now. I really want us to see this market maintain $18. If we see that in the upcoming trading days and upcoming weeks, excuse me, then that's a pretty good sign that the market has found a support area around 18, and now we can expect the price to go up. And one thing that I can see that we may be starting that process is because this volume is higher. We haven't seen this much volume in Corsair since like October of last year, 2021. This is very good. We're seeing the price also coming off the lows, closing up there towards the high of the bar. So we might have a little bit of juice here into the market in Corsair for us to go up. Not massive amount of juice. We don't have a whole lot of gas in the tank to really see this price break up like to $38 or something like that. We're not there. Okay, so let me put this all into context. And my main concern of us looking for this price in Corsair to go up is $20. Like, we can really see the brakes applied right there at $20. So let me show you this. That's restriction. We might have to just take that 3.25% and be satisfied and be happy and move on. Like, you have to know where you're willing to part ways with the market. $20 is one of those areas that we might need to part ways. Second area is right there around 21. That's 8.25. Now, ultimately, I'm going to bring it up there towards 22. It might fall a little bit shorter than 22, but hey, I understand that because I know that this downtrend is still intact in the market for Corsair. So I'm not going to be massively bullish yet, but I'm going to play a little bit of strength, right? As long as the market upholds $18, I know where we're going to go. Yeah, we're either going to continue to do this or we're going to do that. That's it. So $18 is our crucial number for us to remember for Corsair. Now, the longer that we see the price do this, just trade sideways, the greater the market movement higher is going to be, the greater the chance that we'll break this downtrend line. I already know that. Yeah, see, that's why I'm not scared. I'm not nervous, because I can understand how this market really works. I can see what they're trying to do. You need to do the same. And right now, it's your opportunity. The comment section is open. Yeah, tell me real quick, where do you think the market in Corsair is going to go? We're going to play a little bit of strength. We got $20 all the way up there towards 22. There is another area of restriction mixed in around 21. I can see the market getting rejected there too as well. Just saying. But this is what I'm looking forward to. This is my updated price prediction into the market in Corsair. All right, so let me bring it in. You guys can see what my expectations are there. And now it's your turn. I want to see what you all think. So drop me a comment real quick. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.